Today I'm going to show you how you can share the link, the upload folder that you have shared with your students with other lecturers so that the lecturer can view the submissions from the students. This is very useful if you have more than one lecturer teaching the subject. So if, for example, you want the other lecturer to view the students' submission in order for them to mark the paper, so you can do so using this method. Okay, what you need to do, you have to go back to the main folder. Okay, this is the folder that we created previously. So you just click the three dot button and you click manage access. So here you have two links. The first link is where you share it with your students, where the students, by clicking the link, the students will be able to upload the files. While this link, however, this link is for you to share it with other individuals so that the individual can view the submission from the students and later mark the paper or any assignments that you have created. So how to add a person or giving access to the person? So first you need to click on this three dot and you will see that you have options whether you want the person to be able to edit or to only view the files. So I suggest you choose can view option so that the person can download and view the files. So here is where you can key in the email address of the person. So when you click, so now you see that this person is outside of your organization. It is okay because as long as you know the person individually or personally, it should be fine. But you have to make sure that the email address is correct. So once you click save, the person will receive a notification email in his inbox. So here is the notification. You can see that he has been informed that someone wants to share the file. The person has to click open and it will open up a request verification code. So here the person has to click send code. So what it will do is the person will receive a code in his or her inbox. Okay, so here is the code. So he needs to copy the code and paste it here. Only then, by verifying the process, only then he can have access to the folders or to the content of the folder. So here you can see that the person now is able to view the files or even able to download the files. So then the person can later mark the paper or whatever that he wants to do with the files. So that is how you can share the folder with other person. So now I will show you how you can later edit the shared files. Let's say you want to revoke the access given to the person. So simple, you just go back to the same page, click manage access, and then you can see that this is the person that you have granted the access of this folder. So you just simply click this X button and you just click remove. So now the person will no longer be able to access the folder.